Welcome, fellow adventurers. Today, we embark on a journey to explore the breathtaking beauty of Sri Lanka's waterfalls. Join me as we unveil the top 10 most beautiful waterfalls that grace this enchanting island. Number 1. Bambarakanda Falls. Our first stop takes us to the majestic Bambarakanda Falls, the highest waterfall in Sri Lanka. Cascading down a towering cliff amidst lush greenery, it's a sight to behold. Feel the refreshing mist on your face and embrace the awe-inspiring power of nature. Number 2. Diyaluma Falls. Next up, we venture to Diyaluma Falls, a mesmerizing tiered waterfall that creates a captivating spectacle. Take a dip in the natural pools, hike to the top for panoramic views, or simply revel in the serene ambiance of this natural wonder. Number 3. Ravana Falls. Moving along, we reach the iconic Ravana Falls. Surrounded by myth and legend, this multi-tiered waterfall is a popular attraction. Marvel at its cascading beauty, explore the nearby caves, and immerse yourself in the fascinating folklore. Number 4. St. Clair's Falls. Now, let's uncover the breathtaking St. Clair's Falls. With its twin cascades plunging down verdant slopes, it creates a picture-perfect scene. Capture the beauty from viewpoints or enjoy a scenic train ride that passes right by this stunning waterfall. Number 5. Devon Falls. Venturing further, we encounter the enchanting Devon Falls. Flowing gracefully amidst tea plantations, it presents a serene and picturesque sight. Savor the tranquility, snap some photos, and let the soothing sound of cascading water mesmerize you. Number 6. Laksapana Falls. Next on our list is the magnificent Laksapana Falls, a spectacular sight nestled amidst the verdant hills. Appreciate its sheer height and the surrounding lush landscape as you embrace the harmony of nature's elements. Number 7. Baker's Falls. Let's make our way to Horton Plains National Park, where we find the captivating Baker's Falls. Set amidst misty forests and rolling hills, this waterfall captivates with its delicate beauty and the tranquil ambiance of its surroundings. Number 8. Dunhinda Falls. Our adventure continues to Dunhinda Falls, a hidden gem tucked away in a lush rainforest. Trek through the verdant trail, cross picturesque bridges, and witness the sheer power and beauty of this majestic waterfall. Number 9. Ravana Falls. Moving on, we reach the captivating Ravana Falls, named after the legendary King Ravana. Surrounded by dense foliage, it plunges down in multiple tiers, creating a mesmerizing spectacle that will leave you in awe. Number 10. Aberdeen Falls. Last but certainly not least, we arrive at the scenic Aberdeen Falls. Nestled amidst rolling hills and tea estates, this waterfall showcases the natural beauty of Sri Lanka. Immerse yourself in its tranquility and cherish the memories of this breathtaking destination. And that concludes our exploration of the 10 most beautiful waterfalls in Sri Lanka. From the majestic heights of Bambarakanda Falls to the serene allure of Aberdeen Falls, these natural wonders showcase the extraordinary beauty of this island nation. So, grab your camera, lace up your hiking boots, and embark on your own waterfall adventure in Sri Lanka. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration. Respect nature, and leave no trace behind. Until next time, happy waterfall hunting!